Welcome to our tutorial on reviewing Regents results in the portal by New Visions. The portal allows school users to review pass rates by exam, providing a high-level view of performance across all students. It also enables users to drill down into individual student scores for more detailed analysis. The portal automatically updates Regents results from any exam administration window in which your students participated from January 2024 on. This allows school staff to view current results and compare them to prior attempts, ensuring students are placed in a Regents prep or aligned course before taking the exam. To access Regents results, click Regents in the left side navigation menu and then select Regents results. The initial view will display pass rates by exam from the most recent administration window for all students at your school that you have access to. At the top of the page, two drop-down menus provide additional filtering options. The first drop-down allows you to select a specific administration window to focus on, and by default, it will display data from the most recent administration window. The second drop-down allows you to filter for results by subgroups including ethnicity, students with disabilities, multilingual learner status, first-time versus repeaters, etc. By default, the page shows scores for all students you have access to at your school. If you want to focus on a specific subject, you can make a selection directly from the table. For example, if the ELA team wants to identify students who were absent for the ELA Regents exam and have not yet passed, they can click the ELA row and be taken to the data grid filter for those students. Additionally, in this filtered view, the team can review whether these students had previously attempted the exam, how many exams they need to be on track for graduation, and more. From the data grid, you can filter the exam PF column to identify students who were absent by clicking the hamburger icon and deselecting all options except for absent. In the prior max score column, you can determine whether these students have previously taken the exam or if it was their first attempt. The grid also provides information on the number of attempts, their aligned course enrollment status, and their current marks in the aligned course. This comprehensive view allows for targeted remediation and preparation before the next Regents exam window. To drill down further, you can select an individual student's name from the grid to access their profile. At the top of the page, an overview displays key information about the student's academics and attendance. The left-hand menu allows you to navigate to various categories, and by selecting Regents from the menu, you can view detailed Regents-related data, including all exams the student was scheduled for, the number of attempts, and their scores. Additionally, you can schedule students for upcoming exams directly in the portal to track their progress towards graduation requirements based on Regents. To learn how to set school metrics for Regents planning and assign and monitor Regents plans, please watch our tutorials on setting school metrics and assigning and monitoring Regents plans. This view also allows you to verify if the student is scheduled in your SIS for the same exams. After reviewing the data, you can share a Regents summary PDF with students or families. To do this, click Generate Report in the top toolbar and select Regents Prep from the dropdown. Then Generate. In conclusion, reviewing Regents results in the portal helps ensure that students are enrolled in the necessary courses to prepare them for the Regents exams. This process allows for timely adjustments to support their success and keep them on track towards meeting graduation requirements. For questions or help, please use the Calendy link in the video's description. Stay connected by following us on social media for exclusive content, the latest news, and updates on student success. Thank you for watching this tutorial on reviewing Regents results using the portal by New Visions.